أعوذ بكلمات الله تامت من شر ما هلك. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make tilapia light soup. This recipe is very simple and easy to make, yet so delicious. With this recipe, you don't need any fancy ingredients. It's just simple yet so delicious. I was very tired on this day, fasting as well, and I wanted soup, so I thought, why not? So to start, I seasoned my beef with some onion and garlic powder, some onions, fresh onions and garlic that I chopped up. I added some black pepper, then I added some all-purpose seasoning, some salt to taste, and I added this sankofa seasoning, spice, and that was about it. Added a little bit of water to cook, and I cover it up to do its own things. Whilst that was doing, I went ahead to season my tilapia fish, which I had the sankofa seasoning as well. I went ahead to add some onion and garlic powder, added some all-purpose seasoning as well, and I make sure I add some black pepper, which I love in my recipes. Then I mix everything, make sure I marinated each and bit of the fish so that it got all the juices. After that, I just cover it and put it in my fridge to marinate for 30 minutes. It would be best if you marinate this for an hour. How are you guys doing? I hope each and everyone is doing wonderfully well. I want to take this opportunity and thank each and every one of you for the 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. With the ingredients, I already said it's simple ingredients. So I added 1 carrot, 2 tomatoes, some bell peppers, onions, and some habanero. Yes, that is how simple this light soup was, and it was very delicious. So the beef has been cooking for 10 to 15 minutes now, and I went ahead to add my veggies into it because we don't have the time. Okay, added all my veggies and I cover it to cook. I came back to check up on it. The veggies are all cooked, so I took everything out from the pan. Then I'll go ahead to add my tilapia fish into it, and I'll cover it to cook. You guys, thank you so much for the 1,000 subscribers. Just leave me a comment down below. I really like to read you guys' comments, and I'm very grateful for you. For my returning viewers and my subscribers, thank you so much. Don't forget to click on the like button and click on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. If you have any suggestion or any recipe in mind that you want me to do, just leave it down below as well. After cooking the fish for a little bit, I went ahead to add my blended up ingredients, and I will leave everything to cook. At this point, all we have to do is just leave it to do a thing. It's been cooking now for like 20 minutes. I came back to check up on it to make sure I'll just stir everything up so that it doesn't stick to the pot. Over here, you have to be careful so that you don't break the tilapia apart. And look at how delicious this soup looks. And it tastes the same way. If you've been watching me till now, why didn't you subscribe to your girl and share this video to anybody that is going to be helpful for? We cooked it for additional 20 to 30 minutes and it was ready. And look at this soup. Yeah, and of course, I'm gonna enjoy it with fufu. And yes, I break my fast and then I went ahead to dig in. This was so good and I really enjoyed it. And until my next one, stay safe and be blessed. I'm gonna leave some of the Ghanaian recipes up here if you want to check that out. And bye.